Vice Consul Francis Torres, today's solemnizing officer. Today we are gathered for the solemn occasion of joining these brides and grooms in the sacred contract of marriage. Before we officially start, bigay lang po ako ng konting advice sa ating dalawang couple. Sabi sa amin, marriage is a daily conscious commitment. 3 words daw po. Daily conscious commitment. So ano po ba yung commitment? No? Your commitment could be your vow, your pledge po, no? Sa bawat isa. Pero ang sabi sa amin, yung definition daw po ng commitment na yun, that's too shallow. Dapat daw deeper meaning of the word commitment. And ano po sabi sa amin? Your commitment is your obligation. Hindi lang daw po dapat pangako, kundi ito dapat ay isang responsibility. Your commitment is your responsibility to one another. So that's one, commitment. Bakit daw po dapat conscious? It's because your commitment is to be proactive. Dapat daw, you make sure that you know ano po ba yung mga pangangailangan ng partner mo. Not just physically, but also emotionally, psychologically, financially. All aspects po, no? You must, parang kumbaga, you must try to ask your partner, no? Your spouse, ano po ba yung pangangailangan ng bawat isa. Hindi lang po yung mangkukuha lang po tayo. And lastly, bakit daw po daily? It's because your commitment, hindi lang daw dapat yan tuwing birthday, payday, or anniversary. It's every day. Upon waking up, before going to sleep, no, consciously remind yourself na yung kasama niyong pagtulog at pagising, you are committed to him or her. And I hope po that this very short advice will help you on your married life. No? Sige po. I request po the brides and grooms to rise. Ayun po tayo, brides and grooms. Qualifications to enter this contract of marriage. They shall also confirm that they accept this contract to be binding and permanent under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. The bride and groom shall say we do if we agree with the following statements. Brides, grooms, natin po kayo. Sasagot lang po ng malakas. Ang isasagot po, we do. You swear to take this marriage as a special contract of permanent union for the establishment of conjugal and family life.
We do.
You swear to oblige yourselves to live together, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support.
We do.
You swear to abide by the laws of the Philippines on marriage and family life.
We do.
Thank you very much. I request naman po the witnesses to rise. The witness here shall bear testimony to this union and confirm the qualifications of the bride and groom that they sponsor. They shall say we do. They agree with the following statements. Witnesses, say lang po, pasagot lang po. Do you swear that the bride and groom are personally known to you?
We do.
Do you swear to the best of your knowledge and belief the bride and groom are entering this contract of marriage voluntarily?
We do.
Do you swear to the best of your knowledge and belief the bride and groom possess all the qualifications to enter this contract of marriage?
We do.
Thank you very much po. To all the people present here today, does anybody object to the union of these brides and grooms? If so, speak now or forever hold your peace. Yun po tayo, brides and grooms, to face each other and join hands. I will first ask the groom. Groom, you take your bride as your lawfully wedded wife and bind yourself forever in her love and service.
I do.
I do. Thank you. I will now ask. I will now ask the bride. Bride, you take your groom as your lawfully wedded husband and bind yourself forever in his love and service.
Hilak dong.
Now, please produce your rings. Sinisig po. Siguro po muna ang hawak ng sinisig. As you place the ring on your bride's finger, say to her, please repeat, wear this ring.
Wear this ring
As a symbol of my love and fidelity.
as a symbol of my love and fidelity.
Assault na po ang sinisig. Say to him, wear this ring.
Wear this ring.
As a symbol of my love and fidelity.
As a symbol of my love and fidelity.
Suot na po ang sisi. Kasha po. From this day forward,
From this day forward,
we shall be one heart and one soul.
we shall be one heart and one soul.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and health.
In sickness and in health.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us.
Okay, at this point po, I will give time and space for each couple to say their personal vows to each other.
Truly, when a man is ready to settle down, you are no longer option, but you're a priority. In 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 4 to 8, love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist in its own way. It's not irritable or resentful. It's not rejoice or wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. I will be and forever will be, no matter what experience challenges in our life, for richer, for poorer, for better and for worse, through sickness and health, till death do us part. I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
Today marks the start of our lives as husband and wife. First of all, I just want to thank you for making this momentous dream come true of mine. I join my life to yours, not merely as your wife, but as your friend, your lover, and your confidant. I solemnly swear to truly, deeply, and faithfully love you through all of life experiences. I'll always stay by your side to support and cherish you for all the seasons of our life together. It's you that I'll always choose in every lifetime.
The Philippine Embassy in Riyadh, I now pronounce you